Hi everyone, welcome to Gearing Up with GatorWell. On this episode, we're going to talk about bullet journal basics. So a bullet journal is a system that helps you keep track of everything in our busy life. It's a good physical place to store things you need to pay attention to and remember to do on your daily life. And the great thing about bullet journals is it allows flexibility and it'll help you lead a more meaningful life. So one of the aspects of a bullet journal is having a key. And so the key is a page in your journal where it'll help you keep track of these symbols that you'll write in your daily spreads. So here you can see I have my tasks, when I started them, when I completed them, etc., like appointments, things like that. And the cute thing about bullet journals is you can decorate it however you want. You can see all of the different colors that I'm using here to kind of represent how I'm feeling for the week, the month, the year, anything like that. On this page, you can see I'm starting my monthly spread. So I'm going to do mine for the month of October. Underneath, I'm going to list the days of the month for October because for me, it helps me visualize it. I'm more of a visual person. And so the monthly spreads should start on the left. That way you can always flip back to that page to look to. And then on the right-hand side of the page is the most beneficial thing you can put there are your goals for the month. And you can see here I am like decorating more because it's like Halloween-y season and I really dig Halloween and cute things like that and the whole fall weather. The hand side of the page, you guys can see I'm starting to actually write down my monthly goals. And for the month of October, I really want to focus on each of the 8 dimensions of wellness and how that contributes to my life holistically. And obviously as students, it's hard for us to really make sure we're crushing every aspect of our life. So if you guys are ever struggling yourself with any of the 8 dimensions of wellness, you can feel free to come into the office of GatorWell and we can get you signed up for wellness coaching with one of our amazing wellness coaches and help you guys with anything like that. And so now we're gonna move on to my weekly spread. And for me, I'm very finicky on how I do things. But the thing that you need to remember with bullet journaling is that it's just a system to help you keep track of things. Nothing has to be perfect. So I'm gonna start using these sticky note flags that you can actually get in our highlighters here at GatorWell as headers for every day of the week. And you can see I'm writing the days of the week and the numbers on that cute little highlighted color part. And then I'm just going to set up my spread so that I have enough space underneath the days of the week to write down important things. And at the top hand corner of this right page of the spread, I'm going to put more of my weekly goals and things I really need to focus on this week. Like I said, with the flexibility of bullet journals, you can always go back and add things. Things don't have to be done as soon as you create and develop your spreads. And so you can even use this as a planner of sorts too. I'm going to be putting all the important things that I need to be doing this week and all the other really cool and rad things that we have available to us here as students. And so you can see here I am decorating my spread some more with more cute Halloween-y things. And do this cute little pumpkin, giving some really adorable eyebrows. And yeah, so basically that is some of the key bullet journal basics. Of course, there's a lot more that we didn't touch up on, but stay tuned and keep on watching Gearing Up with GatorWell, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!